Welcome to our walk and roll. Who will actually roll today? Dun, dun, dun. Starting off right by greeting everyone. Everyone's excited, so let's just get that energy going for the walk around the perimeter of the house. Then we start our arduous trekking around the perimeter of their yard. I kept hearing that noise. Did you guys hear it? And then I was like, oh, there's a bird here. And that means that they're not afraid of me. Oh my god. Like, I wonder how close they want to get to me or they are comfortable getting to me. And then I was following them through the camera, but then I lost them. And then I almost lost the first roll. There's the roll. Precioso! Oi, 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 oi. Where's the precioso? Finishing up our trekking with water. We'll see you until next time.